Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Chikitsa Sthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 3 Jwara Chikitsa Management of Jwara of Fever. Part 4 Dhatu-Gata Jwara. Manifestation of Jwara at a particular time or a change in the time of manifestation take place due to the following factors. ऋतु अहोरात्रदोषाणां मनसश्च बलाबलात् कालमर्थ अर्थवशात् चैव ज्वरस्तं तं प्रपद्यते. Jwara occurs according to the strength or weakness of factors like dosha, ritu or season, day aho, ratri night, mental status manasa, artha, deeds of previous lives. Manifestation of Jwara in different dhatus. First, Rasa. Gurutvam, Dainam Udvegaha, Sadhanam Chardi Arojagau, Rasastidhe, Bahistabaha, Sa Ankamardo, Vijrambanam. When the vitiated dosha located in the Rasa dhatu, the clinical features manifesting are heaviness, Gurutvam, Dainam miserable feeling, Udvegaha anxiety, Sadhanam exhaustion, vomiting Chardi, Aruchi anorexia, increase in external temperature, Bahistabaha, Angamardam body ache and Shrimpanam yawning. Next, Rekta. Rekta Oshnaha, Pidagas Trishna, Sarektam Shtivanam Muhu, Daha Raga Brahma, Mada Pralaba, Rekta Samstite. The vitiated dosha causing Jwara are located in the Rekta dhatu. The clinical features are increase in body temperature, Ushna, eruption, Pidaga, thirst, Trishna, Sarekta Shtivanam, Muhu, frequent spitting mixed with blood, then Daha, burning sensation, discoloration, Raga, giddiness, Brahma, intoxication, Madha, and Pralaba, incoherent speech. Mamsa. Andardaha, Satran Moha, Saglanihi, Srishta Vitkada, Daurgandhyam, Gatra Vikshepo, Jware Mamsastithe Bhavet. Burning sensation inside the body, Andardaha. Thrit, thirst, Moha, unconsciousness, Glani, weakness, Srishtavit, diarrhea. Foul smell from body, Daurgandhyam. Gatra Vikshepam, throwing movement of limbs. These are the features manifesting when the dosha causing Jwara are lodged in Mamsa dhatu. Sveda, Tivra Pibhasa cha Pralabo, Vami, Abhikshana cha. Swa Gandhasya Asahatvam, Chamedaste, Glani, Arojagau. Vitiated dosha located in the Medo dhatu present with the following clinical feature. Excess sweating, Tivra Sweta, Pibhasa thirst, Pralaba incoherent speech, Vami Abhikshanam, frequent emesis, inability to tolerate the smell of one's own body, Swa Gandha Asahyatvam, wet feeling in body. Anorexia is Arojagam. Next, in Asti, Virega Vamane cha Ubhe, Sa Asti Bhedam Prakhuchanam, Vikshepanam cha Gatranam, Shwasa cha Astikate. Vitiated dosha located in the Asti dhatu cause the following feature. Vireka, diarrhea, Vamanam, emesis, Asti Bhedam, pain in bonds, Prakujanam, production of Kujana, Vikshepanam cha Gatranam, throwing movement of body and limbs. Hikka Shwasastadha, Kasa Tama cha Adidarshanam. Marma Chedo, Bahi, Shaityam Daha, Andaschaiva Majjage. When the vitiated dosha located in the Majja dhatu, then the following signs and symptoms appear. Hikka, hiccup. Shwasa, bronchitis. Kasa, cough. Feeling of entering into darkness. Tamascha, Adi Darshanam. Cutting pain in vital organ. Marma Cheda. Bahi, Shaityam. Feeling of cold externally. Anda Daham, internal burning sensation. शुक्रस्थानगतः शुक्रमोक्षं कृत्वा विनाश्य च प्राणं वायु अग्निसौमिश्च स अर्धं गच्छति असौ विभुः. Vitiated dosha causing jvara located in the shukra dhatu causes ejaculation and destruction of shukra, resulting in the extension of life along with vayu, agni and soma of the subtle body, that is sukshma sharira. Rasa rektasridaha sadhyo medo mamsa gadascha yaha asti majja gadaha krichraha shukrasto naiva siddhyati. Jvara in which doshas are located in the rasa, rekta, mamsa, meda dhadus are sadhya, curable, while those in which the location is in asti and majja are difficult to treat, krichra. Jvara in which the vitiated dosha located in shukra dhatu is na siddhyati, incurable. So the jvara in which doshas are located in the rasa, rekta, mamsa and medas dhatu is sadhya. The jvara in which doshas are located in asti and majja dhatu is krichra. Jvara in which the vitiated dosha are located in shukra dhatu is asadhya. Clinical features of jvara due to combination of two dosha. Samsarga. Hedubhihi lakshanaihi cha uktaha पूर्वम अष्टविधो ज्वरः समासेन उपदिष्टस्य व्यासदः शृणु लक्षणम्. In Nidhanasthana, 8 varieties of jvara along with their causative factors, sign and symptom have been described in brief. Now their signs and symptom will be described in detail. Signs and symptoms of jvara by combination of vata and pitta. Shiroruk, parvanam bhedo, daho, romnam praharshanam, kanda asya shosho, vamadu, trishna, murcha, brahma, aruchi. Swapna nasha, adivagchrumba, vada pitta jvara kradihi. So headache, shiroruk, breaking pain in joint, parvanam bhedam, daham burning sensation, romnam praharshanam, horripilation, kanda asya shosham, dryness of throat and mouth, nausea vamado, trishna thirst, murcha fainting, brahma giddiness, aruchi anorexia, swapna nasham, sleeplessness, adi vak, talkative, and shrimba, yawning. All these are the signs and symptoms of jvara by combination of vata and pitta. Signs and symptoms of jvara by combination of vata and kapha. Shitako, Gauravam, Tandra, Sthaimityam, Parvanam cha Ruk. Shirograha, Pradishyaya, Kasa, Swedha, Apravartanam. Sandabo, Madhya Vekascha, Vada Sleshma Jvara Gradihi. Feeling cold, Shitako, Gauravam, heaviness, drowsiness, Tandra, timidity, Sthaimityam, pain in joint, Parvanam Ruk, Shirograham, feeling of stiffness of head, Pradishyayam Kuraiza, Kasa, cough. Imbayat sweating. Sveda Pravartanam, Sandabam, moderate rise in temperature. These are the signs and symptoms of jvara caused by vata and kapha. Signs and symptoms of jvara by combination of kapha and pitta. Muhurdaho muhu shidam, Svedastambo muhu muhu. Moha kaso aruchis trishna, Sleshma pitta pravartanam. Lipta tiktasyatha tandra, Sleshma pitta jvara gradihi. Frequently changing sensation of hot and cold, muhurdaha, muhu shidam. Frequent increase or decrease sweating, Svedastamba muhu muhu. Delusion, moham, kasa cough, aruchi anorexia, trishna thirst, elimination of phlegm and bile, Sleshma pitta pravartana. Cutting and bitterness in mouth, Lipta tikta asyada, tandra drowsiness. All are the clinical feature of jvara caused by kapha and pitta. Ityede dvandvajaha proktaha. Thus, here the features of different type of jvara caused by simultaneous vitiation of two dosha have been described. Next, description of Sannipadaja jvara caused by combination of three dosha. Sannipada jvara. Sannipadaja uchyate. Sannipada jvarasya urdhvam trayodasha vidasya hi. Prak sutrasya sutridhasya vakshyami lakshanam vai pradak. The Sannipadaja variety of jvara has 13 subtypes, have been described in Nidhanasthana. Now the clinical features of each type will be described separately. Brahmaha पिपासा दाहश्च गौरवं शिरसो अधिरुक् वादपित्तोल्बणे विद्याद्लिङ्गं मन्दकपे ज्वरे Sannipadana Jwara in which Vata and Pitta are codominant, while Kapha is recessive, has the following clinical features: giddiness, Brahma; Pipasa, thirst; Daha, burning sensation; Gauravam, heaviness; excessive headache; Shiraso, Adi, Ruk. Shaityam, Kaso, Aruchi; Tandra, Pipasa, Daha; Ruk, Vyadaha; Vada, Sleshmolbhane; Vyadav, Lingam; Pitta, Avare, Viduhu. Sannipadana Jwara, in which Vata and Kapha are codominant, while Pitta is recessive, has the following clinical feature: coldness, Shaityam; Kasa, cough; anorexia, Aruchi; drowsiness, Tandra; thirst, Pipasa; Daha, burning sensation; and Ruk, pain. Chardihi, Shaityam Muhurdahas Trishna, Moha Asti Vedana, Mandavade Vyavasyanti, Lingam, Pitta Kabholbane. Sannipadana Jwara, in which Pitta and Kapha are codominant, while Vata is recessive, has the following clinical feature: Chardi, emesis; Shaityam, coldness; Muhurdaha, frequent burning sensation; Trishna, thirst; Moha, unconsciousness; Asti Vedana, pain in the bonds. Sandhi asti shirasaha shulam, pralabho gauravam pramaha. Vadholpane syad, dvayanukhe, Trishna, Kandasya, Shushkatha. Sannipadana Jwara, in which vitiated Vata predominates over other two doshas, present with the following signs and symptoms: pain in the joints. Sandhi asti shirasaha shulam, so pain in joints, bone and head. Pralabam, delirium. Gauravam, heaviness. Brahma, giddiness. Thirst, Trishna. Kanda, asya, Shushkata, dryness of throat as well as mouth. Raktavind Mutradha, Dahaha, Sweda, Trit, Bala Sankshayaha, Murcha Chedi Tridoshe, Syad Lingam, Pitte Ghariyasi. Sannipadana Jwara, in which vitiated Pitta predominates over the other two doshas, present with the following signs and symptoms: blood in stool and urine; Raktavind Mutradha; Daha, burning sensation; Sweda, sweating; Trit, thirst; Balak Samshaya, decreased Bala; Murcha, fainting. Alasya, Aruji, Hrillasa, Daha, Vami; Aradi, Brahmaihi; Kapholpanam, Sannipadam, Tandra, Kasena, Chadi, Chet. Sannipadana Jwara, in which vitiated Kapha predominates over the other two doshas, presents with the following signs and symptoms: laziness, Alasya; anorexia, Aruchi; nausea, Hrillasa; burning sensation, Daha; Vami, vomiting; Aradi, restlessness; Brahma, giddiness; drowsiness; Tandra and Kasa, cough. Pradishyaya, Shardir, Alasyam; Tandra, Aruchi, Agni, Mardhavam; Hena, Vade; Pitta, Madhye; Lingam, Sleshmadige, Matam. Sannipadana Jwara, in which vitiated Kapha is excessively vitiated, Pitta moderately vitiated, Vata less vitiated, present with the following clinical feature: Kuraiza, Pradishyaya; Chardi, vomiting; Alasya, laziness; drowsiness, Tandra; Aruji, anorexia; Agni Mardhavam, weak digestion. Haridra Mutra Netratvam, Dahas Trishna, Brahma, Aruchi; Hena, Vade, Madhya, Kabe, Lingam, Pitta, Adige, Matam. Sannipadana Jwara, in which vitiated Pitta is excessively vitiated, Kapha moderately vitiated, Vata less vitiated, present with the following clinical feature: yellowish discoloration of urine and eyes; Haridra Mutra Netratvam, Daha, burning sensation; Trishna, thirst; Brahma, giddiness; Aruchi, anorexia. Shiroruk Vebado, Shwasa, Pralaba, Chardi Arojagau, Hina Pitte, Madhya Kabe, Lingam, Syat Marudadige. Sannipadana Jwara, in which vitiated Vata is excessively vitiated, Kapha moderately vitiated, Pitta less vitiated, present with the following clinical feature: headache, Shiroruk; Vebado, trembling; Shwasa, breathlessness; Pralaba, delirium; Chardi, vomiting; Aruchi, anorexia. Shidago, Gauravam, Tandra; Pralabo, Asti, Shiro, Adiruk; Hina, Pitte; Vada, Madhye; Lingam, Sleshmadige, Vitu. Sannipadaja Jwara, in which vitiated Kapha is excessively vitiated, Vata moderately vitiated, Pitta less vitiated, present with the following clinical feature. Coldness, Sheetakam, heaviness, Gauravam, Tantra, drowsiness, Pralabham, delirium, Asti Shiro, Adiruk, excessive pain in bones as well as head. Shwasa Kasa Pradishyayo, Mukashosho Adi Parshvaruk, Kabahine Pitta Madhye, Lingam Vadadike Mata. Sannipadaja Jwara, in which vitiated Vada is excessively vitiated, Pitta moderately vitiated, Kapha less vitiated, present with the following clinical feature. Shwasa dyspnea, Kasa cough, Pradishyaya coryza, Mukashosha dryness of mouth, excessive pain in flank, Adi Parshvaruk. Varchobeda Agni Daurbalyam, Trishnadaha Aruchi Prema, Kabahine, Vada Madhye, Lingam Pittadige Vitu. Sannipadaja Jwara, in which vitiated Pitta is excessively vitiated, Vada moderately vitiated, Kapha less vitiated, present with the following clinical feature. Diarrhea, Varchobedam, Agni Daurbalyam, weak digestion, Trishna thirst, Daha burning sensation, Aruji anorexia, giddiness, Brahma. Sannipada Jwarasya Urdhvamadho Vakshyami Lakshanam. In Sannipada Jwara, with all the three dosha vitiated to the same extent, following signs and symptoms are observed. Kshane Dahaha, Kshane Shidam, Asti Sandhi Shirorucha, Sasrave, Kalushe Rekte, Nirbukne, Cha Abhidarshane. Patient has feeling of burning sensation sometime and sometime feeling of cold. Kshane Daha, Kshane Shidam. Pain in bone, joint and head. Asti Sandhi Shiro Ruk. Sasrave Kalushe Rekte. Eyes are with excessive lacrimation. Dull, reddish with eyeballs protruded out. Saswano Sarucho Karno. Kandaha Shugeriva Avradaha. Tandra Mohaha Pralabascha Kasaha Shwasa Arujir Brahma. Saswano Sarujo Karno means ringing sound and pain in ears. Kandaha Shuge Riva Avradaha, pricking pain in throat like thorn of grey. Tandra drowsiness, Moha delusion, Pralabha delirium, Kasa cough, Shwasa breathlessness, Anorexia Aruji, Brahma giddiness. Also, Paridagda, Karasparsha, Jikhva, Srasta, Angada, Param. Shtivanam Rekta Pittasya, Kabhena, Unmisridasya cha. Shiraso Lothanam Trishna, Nidra Nasho Hridi Vyada. Burning sensation of tongue. Paridagda. Garasparsha. Rough turns rough to touch. Excessive fatigue. Srasta Angada. Spitting of blood and bile mixed with phlegm. Shtivanam Rekta Pittasya, Kabhena Unmisridasya. Shiraso Lodanam, swaying movement of head. Trishna, thirst. Nidranasham, sleeplessness. And Hridivyada, pain in cardiac region. Sweda Mutra Purishanam, Chira Darshanam, Alpashaha, Krishatvam, Naadhigatranam, Pradadam Kanda Kujanam. So Sweda Mutra Purishanam, Chira Darshanam, Alpashaha. The sweat, urine, and stool reduced in amount with delayed evacuation. Krishatvam. Na adhikatranam. Body is not excessively emaciated. Pradadam kanda kojanam, constant kojana. Kodanam, shyava rektanam, mandalanam, chadarshanam. Urticaria and bluish black or reddish circular patches appear on the skin. Mogatvam, srodasam page, gurutvam, udarasya cha. Chirad pagascha doshanam, sannipada jwaragradihi. Patient speaks less or unable to speak. Mugatvam. Inflammation of Srodasam Pakam. Heaviness in abdomen. Gurutvam Udarasya. Chirat Pagascha Doshanam. Doshas undergo Paga after a very long time. That is, conversion into the healthy states of the dosha do not occur early. So these are the Lakshanas of Sannipada Jwara. Nidhane Trivida Proktaya Pradak Jwara Akritihi. The clinical features of Jwara caused by the individual dosha, Vata, Pitta and Kapha have been described separately in Nidana Sthana. Samsarga Sannipadanam, Taya, Cha Uktam, Swalakshanam. From these signs and symptoms, the features of Dvandvaja type and the Sannipadaja type can be known and decided. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Please like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. Thank you.